Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a nice walnut pesto rigatoni. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is add 2 cups of bay leaves to a food processor. And I would just, while we're doing that, like to remind everyone to please hit the like and subscribe button to my channel, because about 75 to 80% of you that watch my videos are unsubscribed. So if you could do that, that would help me out a lot. If you don't want to, then enjoy the show. All right, after we got our 2 cups of basil leaves in our food processor, we added a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, a 1/4 cup of walnuts, 2 cloves of garlic that are minced, salt and pepper to taste, of course. And we're gonna slowly grind this up, starting just on pulse. And then we're gonna add a half a cup of olive oil. I'm gonna do it through the little, I guess, strainer attachment I have on my processor here, or I'm just gonna dump the whole damn thing in. Anyway, once you have fresh pesto, trust me, you will never go back to the jarred stuff. Ever. And you can kind of see the olive oil being drained in there. Mine has a little attachment that it does it automatically for me, so I can just add the olive oil. If you don't have it, then just use the attachment with kind of the open hole in the cover with the open hole in it. Sorry. And then you just want to keep food processing this until you get a nice emulsification. By the way, you should be cooking a 1-pound box of rigatoni in salted boiling water. Again, this is a great dish if you're in a hurry. Start to finish, about 15 minutes. Longest thing that you have to do is boil the damn water. This sauce takes about 5 minutes. So, all right, we'll see you at the end. All right, as you can see here, our rigatoni is done, and as always, we take a minute off the minimum package cooking time, and then you want to add that pesto sauce that we made up. Also, it's a good idea to grab at least a half a cup of pasta water before you drain the pasta. This is just to help if you need to thin the pesto sauce out a little bit. That really goes a long way into helping that. So about the only thing left to do is, okay, as you can see, I'm adding a little bit of pasta water here because I thought the sauce was just a little too thick. Then just grab a spoon and start mixing it around until you get the consistency and the coverage that you desire on your pasta. All right, after that, the only thing left to do is serve it up. Alrighty. And that's about it. About the only thing I might have added to this is a little bit of pepper and a little bit of parsley or Parmesan on top. And so that's it. Walnut pesto rigatoni. Done.